I have an announcement to make. I will be taking over the channel and doing all the narrating from here on out.
No, she ain't.
What's up, my fellow travelers? It's Nick and Lana, and this time we're throwing you over, taking you over to the Walnut Street pedestrian bridge located in downtown Chattanooga. Now make sure you watch to the end. Something crazy happened in Renaissance Park below the bridge that you'll definitely want to see. Trust me. Now it's constructed in 1890. It's the first non-military bridge built that crossed the Tennessee River. Here's a time lapse of what it's like to cross the entire bridge. You know, save you some steps.
As we're walking, please like and subscribe.
Below the bridge on the downtown side, there's an amphitheater and some funky bike trails that you can explore. On the other side of the bridge is the North Shore area and Fraser Street. Fraser Street is full of shops, bars, restaurants, and my wife's favorite, Kung Fu tea. And bubble tea.
If you're enjoying this, please like and subscribe.
Under the bridge on the North Shore is Renaissance Park and Coolidge Park. It's one of our favorite parks in all of the South. The energy we get when we're here is always great. You can rent e-bikes and e-scooters from Chattanooga in the park. Inside the store, there's also a roller coaster and this weird glider simulator if you're into that sort of thing. No judgment. It was our son's first time riding an e-scooter, and he got a hang of it in no time, flying around like a damn bat out of hell. Apparently there's a Tennessee River cruise ship and it passed by us. It was playing the funniest circus organ music. I swear it had me acting up.
This my music in fun. What time?
Now the most unexpected thing I've seen in a while, a lady was walking a pony around for emotional support at the park.
What?
Yes, a pony. We had to stop and get some pets in. Hey, I need emotional support sometimes too. I'm human. Well, that's the Walnut Bridge in a nutshell. No pun intended. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
We love you.
And as always, keep traveling, my fools. Till next time.